You okay? Why are you stuck there? Bird doesn't know which way to go. Poor bird. You okay? You don't know which way to go. Go that way. Why are you over there? You alright? Like it's gonna go, oh, yes, I'm okay, Daddy. Just need you to get out of the way so I can be comfortable again. Hi. What's up? You okay? Why are you staying there? Why don't you go the other way? Are you trying to get in there? Look, he's just looking at me. Hey, what's up? You protecting something? Are you protecting something? Hey? What's up? Oh, I want him to fly out, but he keeps flying towards the door as if there's something in there he wants. What's up, buddy? Just don't want him to peck my eyes out. He keeps staring at me. He opens his mouth. Or she. Might be a mother. You okay, babe? Here, I'm gonna go, and hopefully you can fly away. Okay? Fly away now. Fly away. Okay? Come on. You waiting it out? What's going on? What are you doing? What are you up to? You're not afraid, right? But you might fly at me. You know to go that way, right? You go that way over there. No, not that way. He's looking the wrong way. There he is. Trying to get him in focus so you can see what he's doing. This is the moment before I lose my eyesight. It's going to be caught on film. No, anyways, I hope you find your way, buddy. Yeah, that way, the way you're facing. That's the way to get out of here. Okay? Get out of here now. Fly away. Well, oh well. Bus stop's there if he needs to get somewhere. And the armories are over there if he needs to get drunk with the boys later after the, whatever the fuck they do there. And there's a hotel there they just built. And he can get a room there if he wants. And there's a half hasty market sign there. And nothing in the building. If he wants to look in the building and go, what's in there? Or if it's a she, I stand corrected. Look at him. Still there. Why are you there? Why don't you go away? You're not afraid of anyone. Did you get hurt? Are you stunned? Are you just hanging out? See you later, buddy. Guess I'll be on my way now.